Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys at my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys lock screen sound setting guys. How can we turn off it? Friends, you want to off guys your Samsung phone lock screen sound guys. You don't want to use friends your phone lock and friends your phone unlock sound. So friends, you can off it in your Samsung phone device. So friends, now let's see how can we off it. First of all, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this tab setting guys. Click on guys your phone sound and vibration, and guys again scroll it guys. You can see guys your phone system sound, tap here, and guys you can see your screen lock sound guys. We will off from this right side, and friends come back. So friends, now you can lock your phone, and guys you can unlock your phone without this background sound guys. You can check again guys. When we will lock guys, the sound will not work, and guys when we will unlock our phone, the sound will not work. Lock screen sound is off. So like that guys, you can off guys your phone lock screen sound. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends, we will meet on the next video. Bye guys.